Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can make a 24/7 dedicated Palworld server. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. If you search for Palworld 24/7 server, you will be on this page where you get the guidance. But the thing is with this is that this server is not 24/7. You have to go and run it on your own computer, which means the requirements. As you can see here, you need to go and use quite a lot of RAM here and things like that. So the solution to this problem is Apex hosting. Then my go to server host, you will see here they do Minecraft server hosting as well as other games including Palworld. The big benefits of hosting your Palworld server with Apex is that your server is going to be 24/7. So friends can join at any point and you don't need to use your own computer. And also there's the option for a lot more resources if you wish. And at the moment you can get 25% off your first invoice. So let's go and copy this code APEX25. Scroll to the bottom of the page and here in top game servers, and then just go and click on all games. After that, scroll down and you'll shortly go and find Palworld. You can then click on order. Now select the game, Palworld is selected, and then what you want to do is go and choose the plan. So basically the more RAM, the more players and the larger worlds. So in this case, I'm going to go and start with an 8 GB server. So I'll go and click on order now, just like so. You can choose your server location. Choose this where the closest is to you, because then you have the best connection. You can then go over to the right and go and click and continue. Here you can see that promo code is automatically applied. But if it isn't automatically applied, you can then enter the promo code if there is one available. I've got APEX25 as you can see. I can then get my 25% discount. That may change in the future though, and then we can go in place and check out. You'll need to go and enter your details here and then choose how you want to go and pay. After you have entered all of the details, then we'll get email for the new server information. Then you just have to open that email and follow the instructions. Then you will be able to make 24/7 dedicated Palworld server. So that's basically how you can make a 24/7 dedicated Palworld server. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.